Well, first impressions, that's pretty impressive. Less than 40 quid. I think it was about £35 or a £34 odd. It's very lightweight. Comes with 2 batteries. It's telescopic. You get 10 of these plastic ones, which I thought I would try this one first. There's a couple of things like circular saws, metal ones, and then there's, I don't know, half a dozen long metal ones, the same sort of shape as that. So I mean, that there is cut through quite a lot of biggish stuff, but there's stuff there that's going to need the metal ones, I'm afraid. 2 batteries, 21 volt. That was 25 minutes. And the battery's still alright. I could feel it lagging a wee bit, but yeah, it will last 25 minutes. So for the money, 2 batteries, loads of blades, telescopic, lightweight. It's only cheap made, but and it's cordless. I think it's not a bad deal. So I had to get something because I never get down a lot of days because of the rain and stuff earlier on in the year. The weeds will just take an hour. So I was looking on Amazon and I seen that one. I had a couple of batteries, which is an important thing, and I just thought for less than 40 quid it was worth a punt. So yeah, I've got it. I'll update as I go along. Next time I'll maybe do it with the metal blades might be involved. But I would say, yeah, it's worth a gamble. It's not a lot of money. And right, I'll leave that there and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.